In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. This task is actually quite simple and can save you a bit of hassle if you prefer not to bombard your customers with automatic reminders. Whether you want to maintain a more personal touch or control when invoices are sent, turning off this feature can be really beneficial. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, when you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your dashboard. Here, you will find a gear icon. This is essentially your go-to settings button, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Accounts and Settings. This option is vital as it controls various settings you can customize within QuickBooks, and we're specifically interested in adjusting the invoice reminders today. After you've clicked on Accounts and Settings, you'll find yourself on a new page with a panel on the left side. Here, look for the Sales tab. This is where QuickBooks houses options related to your sales processes, including invoice settings and preferences. Selecting this tab will guide you to where we need to make our adjustments. Once you're in the Sales section, scroll down until you see the Reminders section. It's easy to spot, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. This section oversees all the reminders associated with your sales transactions, including those automatic invoice reminders that we aim to disable. Now, click on the Reminders section itself. This action will expand it and present you with further options for editing. You're going to want to look for a switch labeled as Automatic Invoice Reminders. This switch controls whether or not your system sends those automatic reminders to your customers. To turn off the automatic invoice emails, simply disable this switch. You'll know you've done this correctly when the switch turns gray. The gray color indicates that the feature is now disabled, meaning QuickBooks will no longer send those reminders on its own. You retain the option to send them manually whenever you deem necessary. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save button. It's important to save the changes, as this will confirm your new settings and ensure that everything's updated according to your preference. And there you go. Just like that, you've turned off automatic invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. It's a quick and easy process that offers you more control over your customer communications. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check back for more helpful QuickBooks Online tutorials.